You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce those two words once and for all correctly in English. They have, let's spoil it, the exact same pronunciation, so it's easy. They are homophones. Pronounce both as pray. Pray. Alright, so they have a different meaning. Top word means to pray as in religiously, pray, and the bottom word is prey, as in an animal that is eaten by a predator, a prey. They're both pronounced exactly the same way, pray. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.